Hey everybody, I'm gonna attempt to do a vlog today, just quickly, just for fun to see how it goes. So right now I'm finishing up at the Culinary Institute LeNotre. I'm gonna show you guys what we made today, and I'm meeting my husband for lunch to bring him some food, and I'm gonna show you what he's working on with StudioLoci. So I'm here with Timothy O'Leary with StudioLoci, and this project of his. Stop looking at me like that.
What's so funny?
Just tell me a little bit about what you did to this house.
Well, we completely gutted it. It was rotted.
Rotted?
Yes, lots of rot. We put a new roof on it. We took it down to the studs. New insulation, new wiring, new plumbing.
New plumbing?
And
okay.
I just have to say that the clients were absolutely terrific.
Okay. And he's enjoying the lunch that I brought from the Culinary Institute LeNotre. And we're eating today brisket and pomme dauphine. Yummy. Nice salad, and I brought him some oranges.
What a surprise.
What a surprise?
Man,
Do you like the surprise?
That's great. You're the
Good.
best part.
Yay! So I'm gonna let him finish up his lunch, and I'm going to go inside the house to show you guys what they worked on. I just love these custom-made windows that they made in order to see this beautiful backyard. Now, right now it needs to be re-landscaped, but when it is going to be done, it's literally a nice oasis. This beautiful floor goes throughout this dining area where you have access to the outside through the windows I just showed you guys. Here we enter into the breakfast nook area. Oh, look at all these windows going all the way around. I just absolutely love that. And now in the kitchen, look at these gorgeous dark cabinets with brass details, marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, pantry. Look at that backsplash. And I just love these details throughout. As you can tell, they still have some work to do, and I will do a final video and take some pictures when they're done with the construction of this home. One of the bedrooms with that beautiful view of the garden. Entering the bathroom. I love the shower. And here is the other bathroom. Look at that detail. All right, that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the little tour, and we will see you on the next one.